Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Conversations with Candace. I'm Candace and we're going to be conversing today. Today we are talking about some affordable makeup brushes that I got as a gift off my Amazon registry for my birthday last month. I saw these brushes a long time ago and I put them on my list of things to get because they were super cute and I'm always looking for really cute makeup brushes. And this is a set of 19 and they're really affordable. Also, the reviews were pretty good. So I put them on my registry and my friend bought them for me. So let's get into this box. Off top, if you get something from Amazon, you can pretty much guarantee they're gonna tear up the box, but that's okay. Obviously, the theme is like Egyptian, ancient type art. And I don't think that you need to appropriate a culture to make a cute design, but whatever, that's not what we're here for. This is the Doe Color Dream in Color 19-piece makeup brush set. I'll put the link in my description box for you. I think you're gonna really like these brushes. So all the brushes come individually wrapped, which is great. I know that all the little fibers are gonna still be in place, or they didn't get jostled in the box on the way here. I'm gonna open them up and I'm gonna show you each one. So starting with the bigger brushes, these brushes are not labeled, okay? The brushes themselves are not labeled. So if you need that in order to do your makeup, they do provide a legend on their listing on Amazon. And I'm gonna put a picture of that here, but I'm gonna show you the brushes anyway. This looks like the powder brush, the foundation brush. You see it's flatter on the top, foundation brush. The blush brush, the contour brush, the highlight brush. These fibers are so soft. The girlie's favorite, the fan brush, and it's a smaller fan brush. I like them when they're smaller for sure. Now for the smaller brushes, this is the concealer brush. Now you can use these brushes for whatever you want and figure out what works for you, but this is just what they're named in the package. You got a blending brush, another blending brush, an angled blending brush. They just named it blending, but it has an angle. So I'm telling you that it's the angle blending brush. Another blending brush. And these are all very soft. I'm wondering how they're gonna work when I use them and I clean them, but I really like how soft they are. Lip brush, detail brush, eyeliner brush. And this is small and really good for eyeliner. Lower lid and upper lid. A little bit bigger eyebrow brush. Eyeshadow brush. This one's called a shader brush. Eyeshadow brush. And another eyeshadow brush. I want to show you the detailing on the brushes. It has hieroglyphics, or I'm sure what this company thinks are hieroglyphics. Again, I don't think that you have to appropriate a culture for design, but whatever. It's really pretty. It's gold and the royal blue, and it has designs on it. It really does make for a very pretty brush. In the detailing on Amazon, it says that this is aluminum and it's not easy to deform the brushes, so that's great because I probably am going to put these in a lingerie bag and put it in the washing machine like I do all my other brushes. I think also important to note that these fibers are nylon. They say that the brushes are vegan. If that matters to you, that's great. I am going to be using these brushes a lot. They are so attractive. I'm almost motivated to hand wash them instead of wash them in the washing machine like I do all my other brushes, but ain't nobody got time for that. So if you buy these brushes or any of this brand's other brushes, let me know. I'm excited to just have some brushes that are so beautiful. So here's the whole set. Here are the girlies. They are just visually stunning. I'm very excited to use them. I don't know. I think I've said that many times before, but let me know if you tried these brushes, and I will do a video in the future of me using this brush set. Thanks for joining me on this episode of Conversations with Candace, and until next time, y'all have a great day.